Welcome back, and today we are going to be talking about mistake number 14. Remember, this is part of a 17-part series on the mistakes that traders and investors make. Let's see whether you make this one. Make sure you take lots of notes, because mistake number 14 is being overconfident, which is one of the biggest mistakes that you can make. Now, before we start the video, please do make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Why? Because you don't want to be making these mistakes, and you want to make sure that I send you the videos to prevent you from making losses. This is very important indeed. So let's start with the video. Okay, so being overconfident is a big mistake that people make. Now, don't get me wrong, confidence is incredibly important when it comes to trading, but it can go the other way as well, because once you place a trade, you've lost control over the result of that trade, because the market is going to do what the market does. You either have a win or a loss, and that comes in a random order. What is more likely to happen is that you will have a streak of wins and you will have streaks of losses all in a row. Let's for a moment focus on the winning streaks. After a few winning trades, the beginner trader starts to feel overconfident and think that this will continue forever and they just can't lose. They have a formula that nobody else has found. Now, some people refer to this as the mighty touch. And the biggest mistake they now make is that they start increasing the risk per trade, which is not something you should be doing ever. Okay? You will not make a fortune just out of one winning trade. It's not going to make you rich. But one losing trade can wipe out your entire trading account. And that is the reason why you should never increase the risk on any one trade. Just do not do it. Trust me on this. Doing so is just an emotional reaction to the last few winning trades. Now, you have to be aware that the odds of having a winner or a loser on any one trade are pretty much 50-50. So even after you make 10 winning trades in a row, the odds of making the 11th win are still 50-50. Okay? That is why you need to use risk management. What does that mean? Well, you need to risk just 1% of your whole account on any one trade. And you cannot change that ever. Even though you're feeling confident and you have the formula that nobody else has found, beginners do that, bless them. Make sure that a good feeling of euphoria or emotions from winning trades is not going to make you break your rules on the next trade that you take. And the best way is to always have a trading plan, write it down, know the plan, and follow the plan. I'd be really interested in knowing whether you have ever done this, where you became a little bit overconfident. Please comment below and let me know whether you did or not. But especially if you did, what exactly were the results of you doing that over time? I think I pretty much know what it is, but I'd love to know from you what actually happened. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because remember, this is only mistake number 14. Right? There are 17 total mistakes, so 16 other mistakes. I want to make sure you don't make those, because of course it's going to cost you a lot of money. And if you like this video or you learned something from it, please make sure you hit that like button. I would be extremely grateful. I look forward to seeing you on lesson number 15.